Select the pump in the 3D view. In the View tab, select the Create Current Element option from the clip group. The view will be clipped on the current element. A yellow box is displayed to represent the clipping volume. Note that the clip and modify toggles are enabled. Whilst the modify toggle is enabled, the clipping box is visible and may be modified. Click the clip toggle to disable the clipping. To modify the dimensions of the clipping volume, double-click the yellow box. Modification grips will be displayed and may be dragged to modify the corresponding dimension. Disable the object snapping by clicking the button in the status bar or by pressing the F3 key. Click the grip at the top of the box to select it. A value may be entered to specify the offset. Click the grip on the south face of the box. Move the mouse to clip the middle of the pump. Press the Escape key to exit the modification mode. Click the Clip toggle to activate the clipping and disable the Modify toggle to hide the box. By default, the clipped faces are capped. The capping may be enabled or disabled by clicking the Cap toggle.